Okay guys, so I wanted to do a quick video to explain how to do all this social stuff. So I've already did a video that kind of explains the basics of interlinking everything and linking to your money site from the social profiles and creating them as branded and everything like that. But I want to show you an actual example of how that's going to look, just in case you're curious or have any questions about it. So what I've done is I've set up a few social profiles here. I've got a Twitter, I've got a Facebook, I've got a YouTube, I got an about.me, I got a Pinterest, I got a Blogspot blogger, I got WordPress.com, and I've got a Tumblr. So let me show you just how exactly this works, and I've also set these up with IFTTT if you want to see exactly how that works also. So for the Twitter, here's what I've done, guys. I've set up the URL in a profile, and then what I can do from there is I can tweet out different links. So I tweet out a link recently, which is to the Google Drive folder. If I click this, it's to a public Google Drive folder. Oh, it's to the map, sorry. And then this map here is basically the citation. So there's the citation there, it's got a link in there, and it's got the driving instructions from Heathrow Airport. So I got that there, and because it's set up with IFTTT, that was automatically shared on Facebook, which links to the tweet, and it has a link here directly to the map because I inserted it in the tweet. And it's also, it won't go on YouTube, sorry, but the YouTube profile has these links here: website, Google+, Twitter, Google Drive. Again, in Google Drive, I click that, it goes to the folder which has the My Map in it, and there's another video on how to set this up as well. And this basically links out to everything. It's all connected. We've got the about.me, which links to your website, links to Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, WordPress, Tumblr, Blogger, and Google+. And you can set up even more. I just didn't set up that many profiles. We've got Pinterest here, which currently just links to the website. So what I've done is I've got it in the board where this link, it says save from source SR Clinic. And if you click on this and it will send you, and you click on it again, it will send you to the website. So click that again, and we're at srclinic.co.uk. But that's basically how that works. And if you go to the profile page, the main profile page, you've got a link in the profile also. And from there on Pinterest, you can like post different pins and link to everything from there. You can link to the Google Drive, you can link to about.me, like everything in different pins. We've got Blogger over here, Blogspot, and again, this is set up with IFTTT. What I did is an initial post in a sidebar. I added some links here, followers, and I did a little blog roll here. So I got our website, Google+, Twitter, Facebook, about.me, Google Drive again. I'm trying to get those links in Google Drive so that gets indexed. But this is just an example. I don't actually care that much. I haven't even checked. We've got the link here. So the latest tweet was automatically shared here. So I set up the trigger here as Twitter. The reason I did this is because the site doesn't have a blog on it, and I can't bother creating one. That's pretty much it. But Twitter's a great way of doing it also, because you can do stuff like this where we've now got a link on here to the Google Drive folder. So the same with WordPress.com. I've got the same tweet here because it's set up with IFTTT. We've got a blog roll here with connect on Google+, follow us on Pinterest, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube. And we've got like the first little post like, welcome to our official blog, we're excited to start blogging, blah, 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 blah. Just a made up little post. I also put something on the about page, I think, just to make it seem a little bit more legit, but very, very little. Now, if I was doing this for reals, if it was a real site that I actually cared about, I'd put a little bit more effort into it. I'd maybe change the images so it was actually relevant, but this is just an example for you guys to see how it works. Same for Tumblr. What I've done is I've got a profile image here, the name of the site, obviously SR Clinic, srclinic.tumblr.com. These are all branded. We've got plastic surgeons in London, so it's keyword relevant, niche relevant, and a little link here in the top where visitors at srclinic.co.uk. And then again, it's the IFTTT stuff. And once again, I also have like a little intro post just to make it seem a little bit more legit there. So let me just show you guys, if I can, how the Tumblr stuff works and what exactly I do. So if I click on Evernote here, and what do I feel like linking to today? So let's link to our YouTube channel. So let's link to our YouTube channel from YouTube, from Twitter, sorry, and from all these pages as well. So I linked to our YouTube channel, and this would be better if I actually had a video, because it'd be cool to share a video through everything. But let's do this anyway. So you grab the YouTube channel, and we go to tweet, and we post something like, make sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube for the latest cosmetic surgery news, as an example, and a link to that. And it's going to automatically shorten because it's a long link. But if we tweet that and we wait a little while, it's gonna automatically share it on Twitter and everything else, but it may take a little while for that to happen. So I can refresh, but I might have to wait a few minutes for it to update because like IFTTT first has to pick it up that it's actually updated. But if you give it a few minutes, that's gonna work. But this is basically how it works, guys. Like at about.me, I went into details and I went into social links, and then I just connected stuff. So I click Twitter, and then you set a link there, and Facebook, and you set a link there. And that's pretty much how it is for all of these. For a blogger, I had to go into the admin settings, which, how do I get there now? Design maybe, and go into the admin area, and basically I'm not an expert at this stuff because I have my VAs do this stuff all the time. I haven't done it in so long, but there was something I went on to, if it was layout maybe, and I managed to change the head. Yes, I was going to say add gadget here, add a gadget, and like I just added this little thing there. It's like follow us. So I click add new gadget, and if I drag this onto my screen from my other one here, I scroll down, and they have various different options here. But I did link list, and then I added a link list, and that's what you see on this profile here. On this, when I go back. There we go. So srclinic.com, srclinic.blogspot.com, and then I added a link list and linked some stuff randomly here, guys. Remember, this is like total random interlinking. I'm not like I have to link to this one and this one and this one. It's just like here's a list of all my profiles. Let me just link to some of them at kind of randomness. And the Google Drive one's kind of interesting because you can get an index later, and it links out to so many other stuff. So the Google Drive, it links to the different documents, so the presentation here, the PDF, the Google My Maps, and the Google Doc there with different links in it. And then all these different ones, like the About Me, we just covered. The YouTube one, there's a little trick to doing this. If you can't find it, then what you have to do is click this little cog, and then you customize the layout of your channel to on. So I had it off originally. I think new channels have this off. You click this, and this is in my training, so I should have known this anyway. But I had someone create that, like one of the VAs create my training for me, which is kind of next level stuff. As you get better at this stuff, you train people how to do stuff, and then they create the training to train other people how to do it. So you don't really have to do that much anymore when it comes to like this boring nitty-gritty stuff. So you can see the links show up here, our website, Google Drive, and you click any of these, they work. And also, if you want to add these links, you go into the About, and you scroll down to links, and then you can edit this and add as many links as you want. You can even add any more if you want. It doesn't matter. And for the other ones, Facebook, obviously we set up the profile. We got the citation in there. We've got the address there. We've got a phone number there, and obviously the name of the site or the page is called SR Clinic. So name, address, phone numbers, the citation there, and Pinterest, we've got the details in here. We could actually add a description if you wanted to, and add a citation there, somewhat unstructured, but still citations. We also set the location as London there, and we've got Blogspot, and we covered that one. We've got WordPress.com, which is a blog role, so we go into the settings, add a blog role, and you do this in the admin area, and that's pretty simple. We've got Tumblr, and all we did is added this little link in the description, and the rest is all done through IFTTT. So I set up IFTTT on all of these through Twitter, so whenever we tweet, it shares on any of these things. You can set it up as your RSS feed or Twitter, whichever you prefer. I also like to use YouTube, so whenever I put a new YouTube video, they're automatically shared on these. But if you have Twitter, then you can actually just tweet out the video and it'll do the exact same thing. It's up to you. So let's see if any of these are updated now. If I refresh this page. Okay, this one hasn't yet. Let's see if any of the others have. See if anyone else is faster. Refresh this. And the latest one is still a consultation, which is really making my example horrible. Let me just force run these, which I can do actually. So if I go on to ifttt.com, and when it loads, because it's making my example look really crappy now, I go into my recipes, and then last run. So if I check this now, I think I just do that. Okay, now it's run again, so this is on Blogspot now. So normally it'd naturally do it anyway if you waited, but I was just being impatient because I wanted to have something posted up there. So there you go, you got like a little link there, and if I wonder if IFTTT would just run itself now after I just made it aware. I'll just manually run them all, why not? Okay. and I think this one already ran. So here we go, we've got Tumblr here. Refresh this page, and then we go, it posted up the link to the YouTube, the tweet to the YouTube thing. We've got WordPress.com, and refresh this page now. It's also got the same thing. We've got, this seems kind of broken there. We've got, obviously Pinterest won't do it, About.me won't do it, because we haven't set them up. About.me can't do it. Pinterest has functionality with IFTTT if you want to set stuff up. YouTube can't do it, but we can do the links here on the profile. And we can, if you want to, you can upload videos in the description. We can have links in them too. I recommend doing that, so start uploading some videos. You can just pay people on Fiverr to create them for you, upload them to YouTube, and then in the description include some links to various different things. You can include a citation there with name, address, and phone number. You can include a link to your website, and you can include a link to different social profiles. You can say follow us on Facebook, follow us on this site, check out our document on Google Drive, and stuff like that. And if you have a look on Facebook now, this should automatically update as well with the tweets and new tweet. Make sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube for the latest cosmetic surgery news. You click this, it takes you to the YouTube channel. So there you have it, guys. That's really how this all ties together once it's done. Remember to make this random. Don't link in the exact same pattern over and over again. Link randomly, link randomly to all your different social profiles. Set up IFTTT, and that's roughly how it's all gonna look once it's all tied together. Alright, hope this video helped. I'll see you in the next one.